Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Syazuna Afiq Company Zainal with matric number 280795. I will start our presentation about the company that we have chosen and the vision and mission of the company. Delima Oil Products Sdn Bhd started its operation in the year 2000, entering the competitive fast-moving consumer goods FMCG industry as a subsidiary of FGV Holdings Berhad. Their swift advancement has enabled our enterprise to diversify its operation across the three primary areas, which are palm oil refining, production of processed palm oil products, and distribution of both industrial and consumer goods. Lima Oil Products Sdn Bhd ensure the delivery of uncompromised quality and adheres rigorously to both the Code of Practice for Processing and Refining of Enable Palm Oil and the Malaysia Food Act and Regulation 1987. The vision for this company is to be a known and respected FMCG company in Malaysia and a regional champion with a main emphasis on oil and fats that are integrated with FGVH upstream business. There are four main missions of this company, which are leadership, focusing on palm-based downstream company in Malaysia. These element of the objective focus on building the Lima Oil product as a leader in Malaysia's downstream palm oil business. Secondly, market expansion in regional and international markets. The Lima Oil product intend to increase its market presence outside of Malaysia into regional and worldwide markets. The objective is to capitalize on the growth prospect offered by markets beyond the domestic environment. Next is leadership focusing on gaining market share for each product category in Malaysia. Within the Malaysian market, this company aims to be the market leader in terms of market share for each product category, gaining significant markets share in categories such as cooking oils, margarine, and other palm oil-based goods might be part of this strategy. Lastly, product diversification in consumer food and non-food categories. The Lima Oil Products intends to be broaden its product range not only in terms of product varieties but also by growing into consumer food and non-food categories. This diversification category reduce the risk associated with depending on a single product category while also broadening the company market reach. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good day to Doctor and everyone. My name is Ainur Zuhaira binti Ahmad and my metric number is 276832. I will continue for the job analysis of the 5 positions in staffing plan for a new department at FGV company, which is the Lima Oil Products Sdn Bhd. It provides a brief overview of each position's key responsibilities, qualifications, and any additional considerations. For the first position is after sales manager. Responsibilities: oversee and manage the entire after sales service department, develop and implement strategies to improve customer satisfaction and loyalty, address escalated customer issues and ensure timely resolutions, analyze customer feedback and recommend product or service improvements. Qualifications: bachelor's degree in business, management or a related field, several years of experience in after-sales management or a similar role, strong leadership and team management skills. Second, sales and marketing manager. Responsibilities: develop and execute sales and marketing strategies to meet company objective, lead and manage a sales and marketing team, identify market trends and customer preferences to guide marketing efforts, build and maintain relationships with key clients and business partners. Qualifications: extensive experience in sales and marketing management, strong leadership, strategic planning and analytical skills, excellent communication and negotiation abilities. Third, after sales coordinator. For the responsibilities, assist customers with post-sale inquiries and issues via phone, email or chat, coordinate after-sales support service and ensure timely resolution, Document customer feedback and issues for analysis. For the qualifications, prior experience in customer service or a related role is beneficial. Strong interpersonal and communication skills, attention to detail and organization abilities, and basic knowledge of the company's products and service. Fourth is call center manager. For the responsibilities, lead and manage the day-to-day operations of the call center, supervise call center staff, including training and performance evaluation, monitor call center metrics and KPIs to ensure targets are met. And for the qualifications, the first one is proven experience in call center management, strong leadership and people management skills, proficiency in call center software and technology, and lastly, excellent communication and problem-solving skills. The last position is sales administrator. Responsibilities: provide administrative support to the sales team, including data entry and document preparations, prepare sales reports, quotes and proposals, maintain customer and sales database. For the qualifications, prior experience in a sales support or administrative role is advantageous. Proficiency in Office software, which is Microsoft Office, and strong organizational and multitasking abilities.
Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Nursyafika binti Kamal Zaidi, matric number 281463, and I will continue the presentation with the job descriptions that we have identified for the after sales department. The first position, which is the after sales manager, they are responsible to analyze and implement goals to achieve accurate measures for after sales department. They are also responsible to lead and manage the after sales service team, and they need to act as a key person for internal and external partner. And lastly, they need to build and maintain strong customer engagement. The second position, which is the sales and marketing manager, they need to help marketing campaigns, and they also need to develop innovative and new marketing strategies to enhance output and improve the customer engagement rate. They also need to optimize the digital market platforms to drive the customer needs. That's why they have to ensure websites, applications, and other digital platforms are well updated to the customer with the latest information from the organization. The third position, which is the after sales coordinator, they need to obtain the sales order by existing customer and develop new market segmentation by planning and organizing daily schedules. They need to fulfill customer requests and needs and also follow-up sessions. Then, they need to make sure the delivery of goods to customer is always on time. And lastly, they need to act as a key person to ensure smooth communication and collaboration with all business partners and also customers. The fourth position, which is the call center manager, they are responsible to lead the customer service team to meet all the KPIs. They are also responsible to monitor the service quality team that is performed by the team towards the client. They also need to manage the performance targets for team in range of speed, efficiency, and call quality. And they are also responsible to detect the regular random calls to minimize the call errors and improve the customer service quality of the organization. And moving on to the last position in the after sales department, which is the sales administrator, they are responsible to process and handle customer orders from start phase to last phase, and they need to prepare the paperwork, document, and invoice. They are also need to provide ongoing order updates to the organization and also customer. And they also need to provide the support to prepare sales presentation and proposals of the organization. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, next, I will present about recruitment strategies of Delima Oil Products Sdn Berhad. Delima Oil Products Sdn Berhad has a robust recruitment strategy that combines both internal and external recruitment methods. Internally, they use open, hybrid, and close approaches to engage existing employees and maintain fairness. Externally, they employ open strategies for a diverse candidate pool and targeted strategies to focus on specific markets. The goal is to build a skilled and adaptable workforce, ensuring competitiveness and attracting top talent. Okay, for internal hybrid recruitment, this combines elements of both open and targeted approach but is applied internally. For internal open recruitment, when job opportunities are advertised within the organization, employees can apply for various positions to advance their career. For internal closed recruitment, a job opening is not advertised to the general workforce. Okay, for external open recruitment, involve advertising job openings to the general public. Anyone who meets the criteria can apply. For external targeted recruitment, this approach focuses on specific groups or individuals who possess certain qualifications or characteristics. It could include reaching out to professionals with particular skills or experience. Delima Oil Products Sdn Bhd internally fills the after-sales manager position through open recruitment strategies. Internal job postings via email, intranet, and bulletin boards are used, ensuring employees are aware of the opportunities. The open approach allows all employees to explore career advancement within the organization. External recruitment strategies are employed for sales and marketing manager positions. LinkedIn postings, employee referrals, industry events, and targeted recruitment methods are utilized to attract diverse and skilled candidates. The goal is to connect with specific demographic and bring in experienced individuals for these crucial roles. For after-sales coordinator positions, a hybrid strategy is implemented, combining internal training programs with external job postings. Internal candidates are encouraged to apply through training programs while external opportunities are advertised on various platforms. Standardized application and screening procedures ensure a fair evaluation of both internal and external candidates. External recruitment is employed for call center manager positions using detailed job postings on well-known boards and social media platforms. Active engagement in online forums and communities helps build relationships with potential candidates in the call center industry. A comprehensive approach aims to reach a wide audience actively seeking opportunities. Delima Oil Products Sdn Bhd internally fills the sales administrator position using a closed recruitment process. The Human Resource Department communicates directly with relevant departments, focusing on current employees with the necessary skills. Applications are restricted to internal candidates to promote career advancement within the administrative field and capitalize on existing talent.
Next, we move to the selection method, which is the approach that company apply to systematically evaluate and choose the correct or most suitable candidate for a particular jobs or roles. For example, they will use the interview, test, assessment, and reference checks, and so on. This aim selection method is to make well-informed decisions that align with the organization's objective and ensure that selection individual possess the necessary objective or capabilities to contribute effectively to the success of the company. Selection method for the after-sales manager, we will use the behavior interview, which is we will see their attitude like leadership, problem solving, team management skills, and customer service. Net incorporating skill, which is we will see how their skill, how they manage their customers, and how they receive the feedback of the customer from the customer. Next, we will use the reference check, which is we can ask their supervisor about their attitude of before this. And next is requesting work samples, which is we can give their some work about the after sales manager to make sure they are really understand about the that positions. Next is about sales and marketing manager. We will also use behavior interview and role-playing exercise, marketing project presentation, industry knowledge test, which is role-playing exercise. We will ask them to make a role-playing about the marketing. And next is marketing project presentation. We will ask them to prepare the project presentation and present to our company about marketing and sales. Next is industry knowledge test. We will test them, the candidate, some knowledge there, which is they also know about our company or not. Number 3 is about the after sales coordinator, which is we will use the method of the structured interview. This is where we ask specific questions to the candidate to find out if they know about their staff when it comes to technical stage, customer service, and handling lots of tasks at once. And it is like a conversation that helps us to understand how they handle the real situations. Next is the technical skills assessment, which is it is things like a practical test to make sure they really know about the after sales systems, procedure, and how they solve the problems. Next, we will use asking the written sample, which is we can know about their skills in writing, especially how they want to communicate with the customers or any feedback or complaints from the customers. Lastly, we also use the personality test, which is they can help to understand how they like to communicate, how much attention that they pay to details, and if they can work well to their own or part of teams. It is about making sure that they are not only have the technical skills, but also right kind to the personality for a role that involve taking with customers and working with the teams. Furthermore, for the call center manager, we also use the method of the behavior interview, call monitoring. We also use the role-playing exercise, team management simulation, and lastly, we also add the stress test. For the behavior interview, it also like a friendly check that we ask about their experience in leadership, coaching, communication, and resolving conflict, which is we want to know how they handle the real life situations. Next is about the call monitoring part, which is we will listen to some of calls they have handled to see how they are deal with the customer, solve problem, and keep things professional. It is help us to see their real skills in actions. And next is about the role-playing exercise, which is we can cut some written call to the candidate, which is we want to see how they communicate, solve problem, and coach with the controlling settings. It is like a practice run to see if they are ready for the real deals. Next is about the team management. Team management is we want to see how they are managed to check their team management skills. This is team management simulation. We ask them to lead virtual teams for call center agents in a pretend scenario. So we can get an idea of how they manage and work with others. Lastly, about the stress test. We will see how they handle the pressure in the work and then the tough situations. It is a little bit like throwing a curveball to the release curveball like they stay cool under the stress. The last method is for the sales administrator, which is we can use the structured interview, which is we can ask the candidate some question to see how they organize tasks, pay attention to details, enter the data accurately, and communicate. This is we can see how they handle things and talk with others. Next is about we use the typing and data entry test, which is like we want to check the candidates like they can use a good computer. We can the skills how they use the good computers, like good speed of the typing and so on. Next is about the reference check. Also, it's about should use this method for to get in touch with their previous boss to double check how they work and reliability. Lastly is about we can use the personality test, which is the personality test can help us how they organize and pay attention to details and can be work on their own with the teams. it is not about just about the skills, but about how they fit into our teams.